Sometimes I glare around me and I attempt to understand you, to comprehend you, your nature, your look, your size, the route to your domicile. I notice people in chronological haste to have you, pushing through the same routine, proceeding through the imperceptible sport, and disregarding the reflection of time on their actions to be with you, offering all it takes to quench their thirst for you, and sometimes it seems not working, because their attention is all on you and not their actions to get you. If right or not, or even sufficient enough to invoke you into their lives, people give what it takes to get you, believing it's gonna clock so soon, despite how vanishing the end of the journey measured in length looks finite. And I personally feels the journey sometimes not long. Once it ends, it's reached, then you're welcome. I believe that you shouldn't be that simple to be owned by a single person, even to be convinced as mine. Our labor in consecutive pattern is what defines you. That's what measures you. The accumulation of our sweat, our strife, and hardship opens the door for your stay with us. How extremely I've desired you, success. How vast I am willing to be successful without being nailed by the society. But even the noise of the world around me is effective enough to distract my soul from looking into my actions. If our success is measured in force, then tens of thousands of souls will have been made successful. Consistency is the key to success, not the strife, not the hardship. The presence is what defines it all.